Hi, my name is Farah Haddad. I'm the co-founder and COO of Delhicioso.
Hi, I'm Rishabh Lohia, and I'm the co-founder and CEO of Delhicioso.
We both studied at Esade in the same section, MBA Class of 2016.
At Delhicioso, we feel that you can have healthy and delicious meal no matter how busy your schedule is. We created a platform to connect home chefs and students and professionals, where students and professionals can enjoy different cultures, different foods, without exploding their budget and eat healthy at the same time. At the same time, home chefs can cook food, cook whatever they want and earn money. Both the sides of the business can work through this common website where as a user, you can just go online, plan ahead or plan for today. And the best part of the model is that the food keeps changing. So everything is super easy within 3 steps. You explore, you customize, and then you order and relax.
In less than a year, we've fed more than 3,000 people through our services. We're now working on Delhicioso 2.0, taking all the lessons learned over the last year. In 1 year from now, we want to be the #1 food delivery service to offices and universities in Barcelona. We want to start home deliveries. We hope to have our own kitchen in Barcelona, and we would like to expand further, starting with Madrid. Esade has had a tremendous impact on our project and has played several roles. First, being part of the Esade Accelerator, we've been given mentorship and support, which has been invaluable. Second, as customers, they were our first adopters, so we were able to test our idea and get feedback on our idea before launching it in the market. Third, as our partners, we've been getting guidance from our professors and from the organization itself. And finally, we've met at Esade, so Delhicioso would not have been possible without Esade.
To future entrepreneurs, I would like to suggest that stick to your strengths. That is what's going to make you grow. And secondly, while you're growing, because that's the idea, you will encounter a lot of problems, a lot of hardships. Yes, there are going to be successes as well, but do not lose faith. Your passion is going to keep it alive.